My name is Manyangwa Mariam Kadu, and I have a juice business, and I make this juice on a daily. And part of what I do, my daily routine, I wake up in the morning and do my personal hygiene and all that, and I start my day like this. I use fresh fruits, like you can see in the basket. This is part of what I use to make my juice daily. Carrots, passion fruit, beetroot, pineapple, and so many other fruits. I was inspired by a number of reasons to start this business. I have been working from home for a while, and number one reason why I started this business, after university, I tried working with organizations, with companies, and I took my CVs here and there, and it was all in vain. So staying at home, while I was already a mother at that age, I tried to look here and there to see what I could do to make sure I could survive and I could earn a living for myself and the child I had. I had a job, a small job then. I had a company where I worked, but since I had a child, it was really not giving me enough money to support both of us. So I ended up looking for something to do where I could not pay rent and I could get some money for both of us. So I went back home and I had some small savings of about 200,000. So I bought a small blender and disposable cups. I bought fruits with that small money, and I started with, the following day I started moving around where I was staying, giving people samples of my juice to taste, so that the following day I could start selling to them that juice. The people who tasted the juice really gave me courage to continue doing what I had started. So in about a period of 2 weeks, I could give about 20 people 300 mils, each glass of 300 mils at 1,000. So I ended up doing more saving and putting in more effort. I would wake up in the morning thinking where I would go, looking for new markets, mainly around where I stayed, because I could not have that enough capital to go places. So slowly I started making more juice from 1 jerrycan to 2 jerrycans and to more, until I made 20 liters. The main thing I kept doing is being determined that you have to wake up in the morning and do better than you did yesterday. Make sure that when customers complain, you work on your faults, mainly to the business side. So when they complain that the sugar is too much, when there is so much water, you make sure you work on what you have to improve as a business. So I made sure I worked on that every other day. I could go to customers and they could give me feedback. Feedback has helped me a lot in this business. To everyone who would like to start up a small business like this one, we didn't start off as a shop or a big company or a company that has a brand, but we started little by little from home. So from home, while I was doing 1 jerrycan and went to 2 jerrycans of juice, 5 liter, you need to be so much determined in what you do. While I said I started with a small blender, right now I use about 3 blenders a day to make about 2 jerrycans of juice per day. So to all those youth, to all those people who would like to do small businesses, the juice business has really got me somewhere. And I have moved to a bigger place. I have left home. From working from home, this is my establishment. I established my brand. It's called Daily Treat. So we make juice and snacks. To me, this is a very big achievement. Looking at where I'm coming from, I need to be thankful to all my customers, to the people who have supported me, and to myself for the determination. So this is part of what we do: snacks, samosas, chapatis, donuts, and there are a lot more we do. My market mainly involves a lot of people. To start with, the people around me, my customers, and we do deliveries to people in their offices, people at their homes, places of residence. We do functions like weddings, introductions, kwanjula, birthday parties. As a company, Daily Treat, we use this bottle. It's branded with our company name, Daily Treat Juice and Snacks. So it fetches for us more customers because it has our contacts written on. And the other thing is it gives our company uniqueness, that it identifies our company easily. As a company, in our effort to save costs, while we were using firewood and charcoal in the beginning to boil water, it was too costly, and you'd find that the water would collect more germs than when we use the new system we were introduced to. We use a water purifier. So in the beginning, the firewood was too costly. Like a day, to boil a 20-liter jerrycan, you'd use firewood of about 7,000, and you'd have to make sure you have to supervise. So it would take so much time supervising the person who is boiling. You ensure that the water has really boiled. So, but with the purifier, it has saved us a lot. As a company, we would like to make our business bigger and better. We would like to have an office around Kampala for our customers to have easy access, those from around Kampala.